We're here at the Autel Training Academy in New York. This is the perfect place to talk about the new innovative features offered on the Ultra Series 2 platform. We're going to be introducing several new features and explaining not only how they work, but what the practical application of each feature is at our Training Academy workshop. We design our tools to make you better technicians. Our goal is to increase your understanding of the repair process with our OE-based menu layout that makes navigation a breeze. Let's start with the Ultra Series 2's hardware features. More sophisticated vehicles demand more computing power to make sure that the scan tool can access the vehicle and perform functions as efficiently as possible. On the new Series 2, this is made possible by a faster 2.7 GHz octa-core processor, 512 gigabytes of hard drive storage, Wi-Fi 6 support, a higher resolution display, and anti-glare properties. The display is even larger while maintaining the same basic form factor as the MSULTRA Ultra. The additional screen size pays dividends when using some of our new advanced graphing capabilities, and is especially handy when being viewed on the Ultra S2's split screen system, so you can view the tool menu system at the same time. The tool is now equipped with Wi-Fi 6. This will offer a faster connection speed to download updates and data more quickly, so you can put the new software to work in the bay. The Series 2 also comes equipped with our new VCMI 2. As with all our MSULTRA tools, the tablet connects wirelessly to the vehicle, allowing freedom of movement around the car during diagnostics. We did make some changes to the vehicle control interface that connects to the car. This is the VCMI 2. It's an amazing innovation in that it combines so many different functions into a single piece of hardware. The VCMI serves first and foremost as a device that allows the tool to communicate with the car wirelessly during diagnostics. The VCMI 2 connects via the included 16-pin connector. It also serves as a J2534 pass-through device. The J-Box, as it's called, can be used in conjunction with a Windows laptop and a subscription to the OEM software programming service to perform module programming, coding, and calibrations. That's just one of several functions of the VCMI 2. It also has a built-in 4-channel oscilloscope. An automotive oscilloscope converts an electrical signal, such as voltage or current, into a visual waveform that is then analyzed on the scope screen. This allows you to see the behavior of electronic components and systems within a vehicle and identify any issues or faults. All the probes and connectors required for use of the scope are included with the Ultra S2. Autel has now added a dedicated case that keeps your cables and oscilloscope accessories neat and organized. It can be removed from the main case and carried to the job. The VCMI 2 also comes equipped with a graphing multimeter and built-in waveform generator to aid in the use of the scope. The VCMI 2 supports CAN-FD, 4-CAN channel, DPDU, IS 022900-1 and ISO 22900-2 protocols. The S2 includes a convenient docking station that now allows fast charging capability while conveniently perched on top of your toolbox. Less time charging and more time working. We've also made some improvements to the VCMI 2's hardware when compared to the one included with the Ultra. In response to feedback from our customers, we've made the unit lighter as well as smaller while retaining all the features our engineers intended for the performance of the unit. Never before has there been an aftermarket scan tool that offers capabilities so close to the OEM level and some features that even go beyond. The fundamental element of everything we make is diagnostic capability. We're getting back to our roots and offering our customers the most advanced diagnostic tool available. Now, let's get hands-on in the Autel Academy workshop so we can show you the power of the MSULTRA Ultra Series 2. Before we get started, I'd like to introduce you to a technician that I'm going to be working with today as we discuss the new Ultra Series 2. His name is Max. He's going to be helping us out in the bay. Let's connect to our vehicle and put him to work in the shop. Hey, Max.
Hi.
Auto scan.
What brand of car do you want?
Dodge. Autel has introduced AI voice control on the Ultra Series 2. Max can assist with a variety of diagnostic tasks and help us navigate through the menus on the tool. Max can help us navigate more efficiently when we're searching through the menus to find the appropriate functions. It's a time saver and can help you get to know the tool's menu system as Max helps guide you through the tool's functions. Now and again, we'll encounter a situation where we don't have a free hand to get to the necessary function we want, or if we want to save time so we can get to the next vehicle. He can help. Now let's get to the really good stuff. Let's look at our new enhanced module topology version 3 that promises faster speeds and an amazing new array of features. In automotive terms, module topology refers to the design and layout of how different electronic control modules within a vehicle are connected and communicate with each other on a data bus. Essentially, it describes the structure of the network that links various modules within the car. Max just helped us out with the auto scan on this vehicle, and let's look at the topology mapping. We can now highlight each individual bus and visually isolate the modules. You can see the different bus systems identified by type in the lower portion of the screen. This is a great feature. The tool will automatically show a visual representation of the car and pinpoint the location of the module. This is a great time saver as it allows the technician to proceed directly to access the affected module. Communication issues with modules have long proven to be problematic for technicians to isolate because of the structure of the control area network. Autel has created a solution to diagnosing communication failures by providing the ability to ping modules and verify communication. Tap Ping Network. As you can see by the listing on the tool, each branch of the CAN bus is divided into groupings of modules. We can select all the modules on particular CAN lines or simply choose an individual module. For example, let's select all for the high-speed CAN and tap Start. The tool will repeatedly send signals and wait for responses from each module. This is great for determining whether a communication failure affects a particular module, indicating a failure, or a multitude of control modules on the same network, indicating the likelihood of a CAN wiring fault. This can take a lot of the guesswork out of identifying communication issues and speeding up the process of getting to a root cause. Let's go back to our topology map and take a look at the menu on the left and look for Live Data Fusion. In fact, hey Max, pull up Live Data Fusion. One of the areas of feedback we got from our customers is that it's sometimes difficult to find the correct live data parameter ID. For the first time ever, we can view live data outputs from multiple control modules at the same time. The increasing number of live data PIDs on modern vehicles has made it more difficult to quickly navigate the data related to the system you want to diagnose. The S2 has grouped the live data PIDs by control module to make finding them easier. Let's tap on the drop-down menu to select the module that we want to search for parameter IDs. In this case, this is a 2024 Dodge Durango, and we're selecting the ECM. So here's where it gets interesting. The request we often get from technicians is how we can view live data from multiple modules at the same time. Autel has introduced a Live Data Fusion feature on the Ultra Series 2. This feature allows users to create and save fully customizable lists of parameter IDs from different modules. Today's complex diagnostics may require data from multiple vehicle systems. Let's take an AC diagnostic, for example. The AC system functions across multiple modules. There are body components such as blend door actuators or air mix motors, and engine mechanical components such as the compressor. In today's sophisticated and efficient four-cylinder applications, the compressor clutch may automatically disengage so the engine can deliver power more efficiently. Let's look at how the new menu system works. Just as an example, you can use data from different systems to perform diagnostics. Particularly, ADAS systems use information from different systems such as radar, throttle, brake, acceleration, and even steering inputs to make the systems work correctly. In many cases, a vehicle safety system may rely on cooperation between several modules to ensure correct operation. Another great feature of Live Data Fusion is the ability for technicians to save the grouping of PIDs within the tool. You can see after we hit save, the grouping is displayed on the screen, and you could save multiple PID groupings for the same vehicle. This is a handy feature that makes it easy to reference this later in the repair process or when the repair has been completed to verify that the components are working within specific values. In an effort to make navigation quicker and easier, we've taken advantage of our extra screen real estate and created a new shortcut to the Maxi Scope. The technician can now operate the included 4-channel oscilloscope in the split screen mode while viewing DTCs. All the technician needs to do is tap on the 3 dots to the right of the PID and bring up the menu. Go to the bottom of the list and select Maxi Scope. The S2 automatically brings up the Maxi Scope, allowing the tech to begin circuit testing on the affected componentry. The split screen capability makes the scope faster and easier than in earlier versions of the software. I want to talk about a new feature on the MaxiSys Ultra S2. DVI stands for Digital Vehicle Inspection. We've now moved into a new era where technicians no longer need to spend time handwriting service recommendations on a mechanic sheet and passing it on to a service writer to be processed. This multi-point inspection process can now be handled by Autel's brand new DVI platform built into the MaxiSys Ultra S2. DVI begins when the car enters the shop. We start by inputting the vehicle's information as well as the customer's information within the tool's software. We are then able to document any damage already present on the car before we take possession of the vehicle. This goes a long way to limiting liability when a customer suggests that the vehicle may have been damaged during service. Traditionally, repairers would take pictures of all 4 corners of the car to document the overall condition. The S2 goes a step further and offers an AI scan of the vehicle. The tablet uses AI to identify damaged areas on the car using reference samples. It can automatically document damage to the exterior of the car. The camera can differentiate between a scratch, scuff, or a dent. Throughout the vehicle service and multi-point inspection process, the DVI system allows the technician to input crucial data related to component wear and visible damage. The technician can go through as few or as many of the sections as needed. Not every item has to be done, but all of them can be. This puts the shop in control of the inspection. Let's start with brakes and tires. The technician can document brake pad wear as well as tire wear. The system even allows the integration of other Autel devices, such as the TBE200 to measure tire wear, and the ITS600 TPMS tool to automatically document tire pressure. Autel uses a simple green, orange, or red grading system for evaluating the condition of vehicle equipment, with green being good, orange meaning requires attention soon, and red means that immediate attention is required. You can add notes or comments to anything needing additional work. Moving to the exterior of the vehicle, the tool allows the tech to check a variety of exterior and interior components and their operational status or condition. The next section relates to underbody components such as exhaust, suspension, front-end components, and fluid leaks. Within all the DVI categories and component listings, there's an area where techs can input additional comments related to their findings. We then move into the engine compartment where the tech can check and document any engine-related component issues such as belts, hoses, batteries, fluid leaks, and many more. There's also an area that will allow technicians to evaluate the overall appearance of the battery and its performance. It's important to mention that an optional accessory is available for the S2 called the BT506. This is a wireless Bluetooth battery and charging system tester designed to be used with Autel's diagnostic products. It's a must-have accessory for the Ultra S2. Once completed, the tool stores the DVI records for later reference. This is by far the most comprehensive, thorough visual inspection available to independent repairers today. They no longer must be burdened with the high cost of specialized point-of-sale integration or compatibility. The Ultra Series 2 brings digital video inspection into the hands of independent and multi-location repair businesses in a simple and highly effective integration.
With today's vehicles becoming increasingly more complicated, technicians need all the resources they can get. We kept that in mind when designing the Ultra S2. I want to talk about the new data repair library available right on your Autel MSULTRA S2 Ultra. It's also available on the MS919, 909, and the original Ultra, as well as all our EV and ADAS tablets. Motor True Speed Repair is just what you need to take your repair accuracy and efficiency to the next level. Techs gain access to comprehensive content covering component locations, diagnostic trouble codes, maintenance schedules, repair procedures, specifications, TSBs or tech service bulletins, circuit and wiring diagrams and connections. It also includes OEM position statements and ADAS-related repair details. TrueSpeed offers OE-sourced repair and service data on U.S., Asian, and European light-duty vehicles from 1985 and newer. Some of the other items you'll find are step-by-step repair and service procedures, detailed component locations and wiring diagrams, and here's the best part. A 1-year subscription to Motor TrueSpeed is included with the purchase of your Ultra S2. Think about how much more productive your repairs will be having all that information right here on your scan tool as you diagnose a vehicle. All this information is made available within days of OE release, hence the name TrueSpeed. Every system is covered here, from engine to transmission, braking, and safety systems. There are OEM position statements and ADAS-related repair details. Finish every repair with accuracy and efficiency with your Ultra Series tablet and Motor TrueSpeed Repair.
Let's talk about Remote Expert. Another way that Autel goes above and beyond to support our users is to offer our Remote Expert service. This service is not only available on the Ultra S2, but on all Ultra Series tablets. Autel Remote Expert is a cloud-based platform that connects technicians with remote experts for vehicle diagnostics and programming. It's designed to help technicians complete repairs more efficiently and accurately. A vetted expert will assist with the process from start to finish, and technicians can communicate with experts through integrated instant messaging and voice payments that are processed electronically. We appreciate you spending some time with us at the Academy.